Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about the formation of metamorphic rocks, which is included in the Intermediate Science Curriculum Standard Performance Indicator 2.2, which states that rocks are classified according to their method of formation. The three classes of rocks are sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Most rocks show characteristics that give clues to their formation conditions. Our objective for today is that students will be able to describe and explain how metamorphic rocks are formed, while being able to identify features associated with metamorphic rocks. A metamorphic rock is any rock whose minerals are chemically changed due to heat, pressure, and/or fluid. As heat and pressure increase, so does metamorphism. In this picture, you can see that we start off with the sedimentary rock shale. And as heat and pressure are added to this sedimentary rock, we get the rock slate, which is a metamorphic rock. And then as metamorphism continues to increase, we get phyllite, schist, and then gneiss. There are two main features associated with metamorphic rocks. On the left, you can see an example of foliation in this sample of slate. Foliation is produced from increasing pressure causing minerals to align. This is why slate appears to be layered. On the right, you can see an example of banding in the sample of gneiss. As pressure increases even more, it causes the mineral alignment to form alternating light and dark bands. Again, just to recap, a metamorphic rock is any rock whose minerals are chemically changed due to heat, pressure, and/or fluids.